Have you been trying to figure out how to become an online personal stylist, but you have no clue how to get started and which tools and apps to use? Well, since I've been styling for the past 15 years, and that includes online styling, I will tell you what are my favorite tools and apps that will help you get started. Hi, my name is Basia and I help aspiring stylists enter the styling industry. If you want to learn how I can help you become a stylist, schedule a free discovery call with me, and I will link an application in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I post a new video, which is every Monday. Now, in this video, you will learn how to become an online personal stylist and which styling tools and apps to use. So let's get started. So since you liked this video on how to become an online personal stylist, this is a follow-up video where I will tell you which tools and apps to use in order to style your clients online. And we're going to start with creating services. Now, what are the styling services? Now, it's what you offer to your client as a stylist. Now, the key is to create simple and straightforward services. So your client not only will have like a closet full of ready to go clothes, but they will also know how to shop, where to shop, and what silhouettes work on them. So as a personal stylist, you can offer so many different services like vacation styling, event styling, closet detox, shopping spree, wedding styling, etc. Right? But since you'll be doing it online, you want to keep it simple and straightforward. So we're going to start with two services, a closet detox and an online styling. Now, since you'll be doing it online, you need few tools to help you do it. So now, the first one is called Calendly. Now, Calendly is a simple, easy to use scheduling software. So instead of like emailing and texting with your client back and forth about like when you're available, when your client is available, etc., you can simply set up an event and create available time to when you are available for your client. So first of all, the basic version is free, and if you are just starting, you really don't need to upgrade to the paid option. So let me show you exactly how to set up Calendly correctly. So welcome to Calendly. So this is how the page looks like. This is your calendar, and this is where your clients will be able to easily book your services and see your calendar, so you don't have to really go back and forth with your client to decide when you're going to be conducting your services. So let me walk you through exactly how to set it up from the back end of Calendly. So we're going to go to Calendly backend. First things first, you have to create an account. If you haven't done it yet, it's pretty easy, just follow instructions. And then when you get to this page, we're going to be creating new events. So you're going to click on new event type. Now we're going to click on one-on-one, all right, and that's where you can customize everything. So let's say we're going to be doing closet detox, okay. Oops. Then add location. So this closet is going to happen on Zoom. Then you can put your description, and that's it. We're going to click next. Now, this is where the magic happens. This is where you can customize and really edit your calendar. This is where you can decide when you're available, what times you're available, what times you're not available. So you have to click on each day and customize times, okay? So when you do that, all you have to do is to click next, and your calendar is ready to go. We have to save this. And your event is ready to go, right? So then you can do copy link, and this is how your calendar will look like. Pretty simple. So now, since you already have a calendar set up, in order to conduct a closet detox, you need to have another tool to see your client, and my favorite is Zoom. So Zoom is a video communication tool that allows you to virtually set up conferences. So I recently conducted a closet detox with my client through Zoom, and it was super easy. My client set up her laptop from her end, and I was able to see all her clothes, what she had in her closet. We also throw away a lot of clothes. We kept a lot of clothes, and we also organized all her closet properly. Now, when it comes to online styling, there are a few options you can choose from to create shoppable boards for your clients. So the first one is called Fash Mates. It's super easy to use. All you have to do is to start creating full outfits from all the clothes and accessories that are available on their platform. So you simply start browsing through looks you know your client will like. So choose the price range, then a brand and a store, and start pulling pieces that you know your client will love. Then you can organize everything nicely so it looks professional for your client, and then you are done. You can simply save the board and all looks are shoppable. Now, the other option is to simply use Keynote if you're on Mac or PowerPoint if you're on Windows. Now, I like this option simply because it allows me to browse through stores I like to shop at. Also, it's super easy to use, so you don't have to really learn another platform. So I simply start with doing a research and start browsing through different stores and brands I know my client will like. Then I simply download an image inside the Keynote. I also copy and paste a link so my client can shop for all the products I'm suggesting, and then simply I organize all my looks into full outfits. This is super easy and really hassle-free, and you don't have to learn a new platform if you're not very tech savvy. Now, the last one and my personal favorite is called Good Pics. Now, Good Pics is a platform designed for personal stylists, and I love to use it. So let me show you exactly how to use that platform. So welcome to Good Pics, one of my favorite platforms, and this is a great platform for all personal stylists. So you will be able to easily create shoppable boards for your clients just like that inside Good Pics. And now the best part of Good Pics is that they have affiliated contracts with a lot of brands and designers. So if your clients will purchase some of the looks that you're suggesting for them, you will get a small kick back on all those purchases. So first thing what you want to do is to add clipper first, just to be able to clip all your products. So you're going to add this extension here, okay? The next part is going to be start searching for your favorite looks for your client. So let's say if you like this dress, all you have to do is to click on this clipper, and then all you have to do is to bring this dress into Good Pics. So you're going to click on this and clip to my catalog. That's it. And the product is successfully saved. Okay, so now let's start creating shoppable boards. So inside Good Pics, what you want to do is to click on Create a Shoppable Board and start adding looks into the board and creating full looks. And voila, this is our shoppable board. All you have to do is to save it and you are ready to go. So this is our board. All you have to do now is to get and copy this link. And this is our shoppable board. So you can send this now to your client and they will be able to click on each product and purchase it. Now, if you want to sign up with Good Pics, I will leave a link in the description below. If you sign up through this link, Good Pics will add $20 to your affiliated account when you become an active user in the end of your free trial. Now, the last part of becoming a stylist online is to build a website. There are many options out there. So first of all, don't think that you have to hire a web developer. It's completely unnecessary and super expensive, especially if you're just starting. There are many websites out there that will allow you to do it yourself. So you can start with a first option, which is Squarespace. Squarespace is a web builder tool that allows you to simply create a website. So first of all you have to do is to look at the pricing first. So you can choose to either pay per month or annually. The next step, what you want to do is to choose template that will be the closest to what your website will look like, and you have so many ready to go templates available, so you don't have to really worry about starting from scratch and designing it all by yourself. All you have to do is to customize it, change colors, fonts, and add your images and text. Now Squarespace will also host your website for you, so you don't really have to worry about it. Now another option is Wix.com, and it works in a very similar way. You have to pick a template and customize it according to your liking and add your pictures and text. Both those options will work in a very similar way. So now you know exactly how to become an online personal stylist, which tools I use, which apps I use. Let me know in a comment below which tools are your favorite. Also, don't forget to grab my free cheat sheet guide with tons of free resources for aspiring stylists, and everything is linked in the description below. Also, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I post a new video, which is every Monday. Thanks so much for watching, and I see you next week.